Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge of Biology with Anjali Bhute. So today I am discuss with you what is the genetic recombination process. Genetic recombination, this word are considered to be different types of gene. They are combined each other and created by inherited marker. And this new form of the genetic material are having different structure, different properties and different function between the old gene. Okay, so look at that. What is the genetic recombination? Okay, so genetic recombination in this process occur by three steps. First is transformation, second is transduction, and third is conjugation. Okay, so first I am discuss with you what is the transformation. Okay, so guys, transformation in this process means freely cells are they are transfer to be their genetic material into the another cell. For example, it's a one of the cells, they are having their genetic material. Okay, just like, okay, so these cells we are called as donor cell. Okay, so donor cell are freely present by our the body. Okay, our the blood, our the all have to be blood cells, muscle cell, nerve cell, etc, all that. Okay, so these cells are transformed by their genetics. Just like they are opened by some of their pores into the small portion, they are open and released by their gene. Just like, okay, so these gene are transformed to be another gene. Just like the gene is called as to be recipient gene because they are accept to be new genetic material. Okay, so the gene are transformed into the freely environment. So the gene, this recipient cell are received by this new gene. Okay, so they are converted into just like a structure. So created by inherited marker, easily understand to be it's a donor cell, it's a donor gene, and it's a recipient gene. Okay guys, so mainly of the transformation process, they are not combined to be created by physical contact between each other. Means two types of different cells are not combined to be each other, not created to be physical contact. They are freely transformed their genetic material. Means donor cell are freely transformed to be their genetic material, and they are freely genes are involved to be, means recipient cells are attracted to be this gene and accepted. Okay, and combined to be our self gene. So they are made by inherited marker, means new genome. So this new genome are having different structure, different because look at that to be structure of the both donor cell and recipient cells. They are having so new form of the gene. They are having different structure between the donor and recipient cells. Okay, so different function, different properties, and different structure also. Okay, so this is the our for the transformation process. Okay, so take screenshot for this guys. So I am consider you what is the next step. Okay, so transformation, this process is discovered by firstly scientist Griffith in 1928. They are used by as a bacteria for the streptococcus pneumonia. Streptococcus pneumonia with their two strain. First is R strain means rough strain. Okay, and second is S strain, smooth strain. So guys, look at that. R strain means rough strain. Okay. So R strain are capsulate and virulent. Okay. R strain is a capsulated and virulent. Means R strain undergoes present of their protein coat such as a capsid, or to be virulent. Okay. So their genome also present, but into the difference between the S strain do not have capsulated and non-virulent. So scientists for as a Griffith, these two strain are injected for the mice to be observed what is difference carried by to the undergoes of mice. Okay. So for example, this is our mice. Okay. So this mice applied by two strain. Firstly, scientists Griffith are injected to be R strain of mice. So they are observed. R strain are injected to be undergoes of mice. So they are death resulted to be death. But A strain, a strain of bacteria as a Streptococcus pneumonia injected for the second time of the mice. So they are not dead because strain of the strain is a smooth strain are do not capsulated and virulent also. Okay, because they are undergoes not present virulent, their gene are not present to be dangerously responsible to death of the mice. Okay, but R strain are present, so they are observed to be this both changes between the etc. So they are carried to be genetic information, genetic recombination process. So two strain, R strain and S strain, both taken by together. Then because we know that both cells, both strain are taken by together, so they are carried to be their genetic recombination process, means their gene are to be transformed. Okay, so after some time R strain are transformed, they are virulent into S strain. Then S strain are injected by mice. It's a not normal S strain because they are virulent and capsulated also. It's a virulent. So resulted mice are death. Okay. Then R strain are injected to be mice. R strain. It's not a virulent, not virulent. Resulted not death. So not important to be strain. It's important to be their genetic material. Their genetic material are harmful or beneficial also. Okay. So Streptococcus pneumophila, these are having to be harmful. They are genetic material. They are injected to be mice of the body. So they are definitely death. Okay. Because they are carried to be their recombination. We know that genome material are carried to be fastly their recombination and destroyed by the undergoes of cells. Okay, so they are used by the two strains of the Griffith of scientists in 1928. S strain and R strain. R strain are virulent and genetic material are present, but S strain are non-capsulated and non-virulent. But both are injected to be mice. So we are observed to be scientist Griffith are observed to be R strain are injected to be mice. So mice are dead. S strain injected to be mice. They are not death. So that timing they are carried to be genetic recombination between the each other, means both strands are taken by together. So this R strand are transformed their genetic material, means R strand which is then their donor cell and accepted by S strand. S strand means smooth cell, they are recipient cell, they are accept to be genetic material of the R strand and they are also capsulated and virulent. So that timing S strand are injected to be mice, so mice are death. Okay, so this process is called as to be genetic recombination process of the transformation, because they are not carried to be physical contact between the each other. Okay, so this is a transformation process. So guys, taken by screenshot. I hope you like to be this video, so please subscribe, like and share my channel, and thank you.